On this episode of OrderDog TV, I'm going to show you how to update your company information using the OrderDog iPortal. Welcome back to our new vendor training series. If you're following the series in order, you should have your catalog information loaded into your OrderDog account and processed your first test order. Now it's time to configure your account so retailers can quickly find your products on OrderDog. This episode should answer any remaining questions that you may have. First things first, let's look at updating your general company information. This is where you will enter your contact information that retailers will see should they need to contact you later. Additionally, your company logo and brief bio should be entered here as well. Let me show you what I mean. After logging into your OrderDog account, we're going to navigate to the Partner Edit page. The Partner Edit page is found under the main category of System and the subcategory of Company Information. Once here, we'll see the Partner Edit page is displayed at the top, so we know what page we're on. We're simply going to start at the top and work our way down and fill in any fields that may not be correct. For instance, company name may not be 100% correct. We may need to add a few items here. Your primary buyer will actually be the primary contact on the account, so maybe it's just support desk. And as we scroll down through, we can fill in anything else that we need to change. Once you have your general information updated, we just scroll down to the bottom and click on Save Changes. This will update the page. Next, we can move on to adding in our logo and a brief bio. We start this by clicking on the pad and pencil icon in the lower left-hand corner, and we simply click on Choose File, find our logo, and press the Upload button. Now that part will be taken care of here, and we can move down the page to fill in our bio, anything we want to put in here. I'll just paste some information in here and kind of show you how we can use the controls up here at the top to perhaps bold that. You can type in whatever you want to type in here. So as you can see here, typing in here, formatting, all very easy. If you wanted to, you could actually click on the source button here. If you know HTML, you can use your HTML codes to fill this in, and then just click on the source button again to toggle between the actual source and what it's going to look like here. So once you get done with that, you just click on Save Changes. It may take a little bit of time to load here depending on how much information you have, and once it's done saving, it's going to take us back to the Partner Edit page, and we'll be able to preview what our logo and what our bio looks like. At this point, we're back on our Partner Edit page, and we just want to make sure everything is saved, so we'll just scroll down to the bottom, click on Save Changes, and that's it, you're done. Okay, so we're just about done. At this point, you have your catalog information loaded, you've set up all your employees and company information. The last thing we need to do is complete your sales order settings. So let's finish this up. We should already be logged in. From the main menu, we're going to place our mouse over System and click on Employees. From here, this will open up the employee page. To add a new employee, we're simply going to click on Add New Employee, and we're going to start at the top and work our way down. The first part here is simply our general information about the employee, and we'll just fill that in here real quick, and we'll fill in any email addresses if this employee should receive any email notifications as far as orders being delivered or account numbers that have been changed. So we can see here, we'll keep moving down the screen here. We're going to move on to our OrderDog user settings, and this is where we're going to give that employee the ability to log into the OrderDog account. So we're simply going to fill in the employee's username that we're going to create for them, and we're going to give them a password. And next we're going to pick what type of email notifications that employee needs. For Dave here, we're going to give him the email notifications for new sales orders and when account numbers change. The most important part about this section is the main menu privileges. If we want Dave to be able to access everything, we're going to check all of these boxes here. For some reason, if we don't want to give him access to reports, we just simply uncheck reports, and that's it. So we got all of our employee information entered in here. All we got to do to finish this is click on Save Changes, and we're done. You should still be logged in at this point. We're going to navigate to the Configuration Supplier page. This page is found under the main category of System and subcategory of Configuration Supplier. Once here, we can choose options like minimum order amount and free shipping amount. simply click in the field, type in the value that you have for a minimum order if you have that, and same thing for free shipping. If you offer free shipping, you just simply type it in, and there you go. The big option to look at on this screen here is your discount rounding. There's two options, one for early and one for late. Early is the default setting, and that simply means that each line item on your sales order is rounded then totaled. If you have late selected, that unrounded line item will be added together and then totaled. Your total at that point will be rounded. And as always, once you're done making any changes here, you'll click on Save Changes, and you'll make sure you click on OK to apply those changes, and that's it. That's all there is to it. Remember, you can always view this and other helpful information on OrderDog's knowledge base at support.orderdog.com. And be sure to follow us on Twitter at twitter.com/OrderDog. We look forward to a long and successful partnership with you. For OrderDog TV, I'm Daryl Godfrey. Thanks for watching.